Welcome to Axel. Let's explore the landing page. Front and center is the orb, which stays in sleep mode by default. You can wake it up simply by calling Axel. Before we do that, let's check out the bottom bar. Starting with your profile and account management. You can set your preferred name, bio, and memory preferences. Here, you manage synaptic memory, which helps Axel learn from your interactions. If you prefer, you can disable this at any time. You can also set custom instructions. These act as permanent rules guiding how Axel interacts with you and can be edited or deleted whenever you need. Under the subscription tab, you can track your app usage and analytics. This is also where you can explore, upgrade, or change your plan at any time. You can easily leave a rating for Axel right here, or share the app with your friends. In the About section, you can access the Help Center to watch demos and read the docs. You'll also find our privacy policy and terms of service here. Right at the top, you'll find quick access to your app usage summary and available credits. Now let's look at the orb. You can wake Axel by calling the wake word or simply by pressing it. You can also easily control Axel using touch gestures. A single tap wakes it to listening mode. If Axel is already speaking, a single tap will interrupt and bring it back to listening. A double tap instantly dismisses the assistant, whether it's listening, thinking, or speaking. A long press puts Axel into a completely inactive mode, disabling the wake word entirely. Next up, settings. This is where you adjust the wake word sensitivity. A higher setting, like 5, makes it harder to wake Axel accidentally. You can also enable noise reduction for a clearer listening experience. And if you ever need to start fresh, simply tap here to restore the default settings. Moving on to listening controls. These settings let you fine-tune how Axel listens to you. Pause silence. This controls how long Axel waits during a pause before it transitions to thinking mode. Increasing this timeout gives you more time to gather your thoughts and speak without being cut off. Speech sensitivity. This adjusts the balance between your voice and background audio. If you're playing music with lyrics, you can lower this setting to ensure Axel stays focused strictly on your commands. Next up is the assistant voice. You have a great selection of voices to choose from right here. Then there's echo voice mode, while slightly less human-like than the standard voices. It still sounds great and saves you a significant amount of credits. It's the perfect option for heavy, day-to-day conversational use. Moving on to input language. By default, Axel is set to auto-detect, seamlessly picking up any language you speak with high accuracy. Alternatively, you can lock it to a specific language. While this restricts Axel to understanding only that chosen language, it processes faster and saves you credits. The Reset Assistant feature is a great tool if Axel ever gets stuck or misunderstands a task. A single tap clears the current session memory without affecting your permanent settings, giving you a clean slate to start over fresh. Next is the thinking timeout. The default of 30 seconds works great, but you can easily increase it if you're on a slow internet connection. Next up is preferences, where you can customize the UI to your liking. Hints. Disable this to hide the on-screen text prompts for a cleaner look. Thinking sound. Turn this on if you'd like a subtle audio cue while Axel processes your request. Aha! Cue. By default, Axel gives a quick verbal confirmation when you use the wake word. Disabling this lets you issue commands instantly without waiting. Just make sure Axel is actually awake and listening. Use my name. Enable this to have Axel address you directly for a more personalized touch. Add signatures. Automatically include a quick sent by Axel disclaimer to your outgoing messages and emails. Auto send messages, Android only. Skip the manual confirmation step and have Axel send messages instantly. On iOS, manual confirmation is always required. Clock reminders. Android users can sync Axel reminders directly with your device's native clock app. Calendar integration. Available on both iOS and Android. This syncs your reminders as calendar events, ensuring you always get notified even if Axel isn't running in the background. Next up is app settings, where you can customize the theme and manage your data controls. Axel is built with a privacy-first approach, giving you complete ownership over your data. You can delete your chat history and memories at any time. Plus, Axel acts as a secure privacy proxy. Unlike cloud chatbots, Axel does not store your data, ensuring complete anonymity. Here, you can set your default calendar. You can also adjust your notification preferences and quickly manage your app permissions. If you want to use Axel in the background for navigation, set it to always. Due to Apple's privacy restrictions, iOS apps can't run entirely in the background, but Axel is always just a tap away. iPhone 15 or newer, you have full, seamless control of Axel directly from the dynamic island. Older iPhones, you'll see an active mic icon at the top of your screen. Just tap it to bring Axel to the foreground and ask anything you need. Could you give me directions to nearest Walmart? Now let's explore the chat interface. While it looks like a standard chat, it's actually highly actionable, allowing you to converse and execute tasks simultaneously. Web search, enabled by default to pull live results. You can easily toggle this off if you don't need web access. Planning mode. Turn this on to brainstorm or have a pure conversation without Axel executing any actions. And right here, you can simply select your preferred AI model. Next up is the media player, designed to be simple, clean, and highly convenient for managing your audio on the go. Next is camera mode. It works similar to video recording in WhatsApp. You can tap to snap individual pictures or hold down to record. Need to cancel? Simply drag to the left or tap the cancel button. The best part is that vision, voice, and text all share the exact same brain. Whether you're typing, speaking, or showing Axel something through your camera, it understands the context instantly and executes your command the same way. Moving on to my collections. This is your personal hub where your notes, reminders, contacts, and addresses are all neatly stored, giving you full control to manage them directly within the app. That wraps up our overview of Axel AI. There will be dedicated demos covering specific features in more detail. Hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.